Chapter number 10, Visualizing Solid Shapes. So in this video we are going to get the introduction of the chapter. So first of all we are going to understand the shapes. So we are having the two types of shapes. This is the 2D and 3D. 2D means 2 dimension and 3D means 3 dimensional shapes. Now first of all I am going to take a shape that is the square. So this is the square and this is the 2D shape. Now the 3D shape of the square will be the cube. This one. Now comes to the another one. We are going to take rectangle. So this is the rectangle we are having. This is the 2D shape. That is the plane shape. And now comes to the 3D shape. This one we are having. And this one we are having as the cuboid. So this is the 3D shape we are having of the rectangle. Same we are having the circle. This one we are having as the 2D shape. Now comes to the 3D shape of this one, we are having the sphere. So this one we are having. This is the 3D shape of the circle we are having as the sphere. This one. So these are the 2D shapes and they are the 3D shapes of these 2D shapes. Now these are the type of shapes we are having. Now comes to the next topic. This one we are having. We will understand 2D shapes and the 3D shapes of the each shape we are having. First of all, I am going to start with the first shape. This one we are having is the 2D and this is the 3D shape. This one we are having square and the 3D shape of this one we are having as equal to the cube. Now comes to the rectangle. This one, this is the 2D shape we are having. And the 3D shape of this one we are having is the cuboid. Now comes to the next one. This one we are having triangle. Now the 3D shape of this one we are having is the cone. Now comes to the more shapes. This one we are having is the circle. And the 3D shape of this one we are having is the sphere. Ball. Ball is the 3D shape of the circle we are having. Now comes to the next one. I am going to take another one, that is the rectangle. Now the 3D shape of this one, I can take this one as the cylinder. So these are the some of the shapes of the 2D and 3D. Now comes to the next topic, views of 3D shapes. So the next topic we are having the views of 3D shapes. So we know that 3D shapes are the shape which have the 3 views. That is the 3 dimension means 3 views. That is the front view. Second one is the side view and the third one is the top view. We are having the 3 views of the 3D shapes. That's why it is called 3D, 3-dimensional shapes, front, side and top. We are having the 3 views in this one. Suppose I am taking a shape. Now let's take the example. This one. I am taking this as the example of this is the brick suppose we are having. Now this one is the side view, this one is the front view and this one is the top view we are having. So these are the 3 views we are having, front, side and top view of the shape we are having. Now comes to the next topic. So the next topic we are having faces, edges and vertices. Now we are going to understand what are the faces, edges and vertices we are having. Suppose this is the cube we are having. This one. Now in this one, first of all we are going to understand the faces. Now we are having the faces. This is the first one, front, back, two faces, two side faces, that is the 4, top and bottom. So 4 and 2, 6. So we are having the 6 faces. These are the faces. Now comes to the next, this is the edges. Edges are the corners. This one, this side are the edges. This one, this one, this one, this one. These are the edges of the any shape we are having. This one is the cube. So these are the edges we are having of the cube. These are the edges we are having. This is the face we are having. Now you have to understand the vertex. Vertex are the corners. This one, this corner. This one is the vertices we are having. This one, this one, this one. These are the vertices we are having. These are the vertices of the shape we are having. So we have understand the face, the front, back, top, bottom and both the sides. These are the faces, these are the edges and the corner ones are the vertices of the shape we are having. So this is the topic we are having is the faces, edges and vertices. Now comes to the next topic. Now we'll understand the formula. That one we are having is the F plus V minus E is equal to the 2. So this is the formula we are having. This is the formula is called the Euler's formula. So this is the face we are having. Face plus vertices minus edges. This one we are having as equal to the 2. So this is the formula we are having, in which F stands for the number of faces, E stands for the vertices and E stands for the number of edges. And this relationship is called Euler's formula. This one. This is called the Euler's formula. So with this one we have completed the introduction of the chapter. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 10.1.